y'all. I am scanning Kalisa's paper for her homeschool assessment, and yeah, it's supposed to be a winter storm, but right now it's just looking gloomy. It might be raining out, I don't know, but it's supposed to be like right now. It's let's see. The weather says it's 41 right now. We got a cold weather advisory. And about 7 o'clock, it's supposed to start raining and stuff. It's supposed to get snow. It's kind of awkward, but yeah. It's rare. It is. So yeah. Other than that, just doing this work. And getting it all. Yeah. RJ never finished snow really for real. He never got a chance to play in it because when we moved he was released 3 months. So he never really had the chance to actually play in the snow. So yeah. Alright, well I'm gonna go ahead and finish scanning this. And so it's 11 o'clock and I have not really seen what it looks like outside yet, so nothing really happened, just raining. But the temperature did drop, so it's in the 30s. I want to say like at least like 36 right now. So yeah, I mean it's like snowing in the upper parts of Florida, like the Panhandle area. So yeah. I've been, looking at all the reports and stuff. But I think we're just going to get like the freezing rain and stuff. And I do have to go into work tomorrow. So that's, yeah. Other than that, yeah. So I'm going to call it a night. And you guys will see me tomorrow. And I might, show some footage of the scenery and everything, the weather, the roads and stuff. But other than that, yeah. It's just, raining like you saw earlier. But not as bad, but just still those who are on the road will have to go out in this mess. Be careful, okay? Y'all be careful, especially when on the road. But if you don't have to go out, don't go out, okay? Alright, y'all. I love you guys. Be safe and peace.